Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to send or transfer money from Wise to bank account. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's dive right in. But if you haven't signed up for Wise, make sure to check out the link in the description for a quick and easy sign up process. Once you sign up, you will end up over here and you need to click on this send button. After that, you will see something like this, and here you can select the amount you want to send and also the currency you want to send from. So in this case, I'm going to send $10 to my other account. After that, once you select your amount and currency, click on continue and it will take you right over here. Click on add a recipient, click on someone else, and here you are going to enter the details of the person you are going to send or the bank account you are going to send. You can enter their email, their account holder name, IBAN number, recipient address, country, city, recipient address, like I said, and postcode. Once you enter all of this, you will end up over here. This is the verification, like why are you sending money to that bank account. You can select any one of these reasons, and later on the last option would be this one. They will show you transfer details, recipient details where you are sending, and also schedule details. As you can see over here that they are telling you you can cancel for a full refund within 30 minutes of payment unless the funds have been picked up or deposited. After that, just click on confirm and continue and your amount will transfer to your bank account. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to send money from Wise to bank account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.